minutes, so I got 3 requests, but I have a problem. I had 1,000, and I need to remove something. Oh, no. So I have to remove the videos. So, let me
Kunin sa akin lahat.
just
Ayoko mawala sa akin lahat,
stick
Jason.
and test. Stick and test. I'm sorry, Red. Wait, he's playing. Wait a minute.
Patrick, sige na. Hubad.
Offline.
Hubad.
This is my best friend in real life.
Paligo ka. Kailangan
So,
bumaba yung lagnat mo. Kaya sige na.
So, bye-bye. I'm sorry. Wait a minute, how do I?
Patrick, I prepared everything. The bath, soap,
I'm sorry. Wait a minute. His name is like this. So you keep that. I'm sorry,
Pero sige na, this will help you. Kahit
Luke. I'm sorry, Luke. Tung 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 Sahur. Because this I named her Tung 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 Sahur because I saw his avatar Tung 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 Sahur. So I'm sorry. Bye bye. His name is like that. Ano? Saglit. And I am hot.
Ito manong ha, malilibre ako ng
Now I'm
ice
hot.
cream. Kasi marunong ako
I
mag-share.
remember her though.
Hindi ako madamot, ganun dapat.
I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry.
Manong, ano to sa'yo to?
I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. His username is like that. What? 1K? Oh, okay. I'm sorry, bye-bye.
Pat-pat, sat-sat. Manong, nakakatampo naman kayo. Yan, yung basahang yan, kapatid niyo yan.
Sorry, I'm gonna replace you.
Isang lupalop kayo ng Pilipinas, kasama niyo ako. Pero ako, bahala
Look, it's